possible kung wala po kayo. Maraming salamat po. So ngayon, I would like to introduce to you again and again and again our Jumps Top Model Philippines Season 4 Local Gala, Category 2, in their traditional attire.
Ito na nga palang ikatlong exposure nila, yung Parade of All Traditional Costume or traditional attire. Okay, before awarding of winners. Okay, so ayan, lalabas na silang lahat. Then, for final look. And then, abangan natin ang awarding kung sino ang mga nanalo. Record ko na nga lang pala itong video na ito for souvenir purposes only. So, kasi isang napakagandang experience na ma-record niya yung kanyang journey sa pagsalin sa modeling competition. Nakakatuwa lang kasi dahil kahit nabaguhan siya o kaya first timer na kung tawagin, siya pa rin ay nagkamit ng gantimpala. O diba, isang napakalaking achievement yun para sa kanya, lalo na't napakamahiyain niya. Sadyang napakaganda ng oportunidad na ito dahil na-boost ang confidence ng aking anak. At isa ito sa aking ipinagpapasalamat kahit na papaano mayroong naging mabuting epekto sa kanya ang pagsali niya dito. Dahil hindi yata birong lakas ng loob ang kailangan mong ipunin para makaharap ka sa maraming tao.
Thank you so much, ladies, our beautiful and lovely candidates of Jumps Top Model Philippines. Ang ating pong judges, sila po ang magbibigay ng awards. Okay? Let's start with our first award. Jumps Top Model Philippines Season 4 Local Gala Sorsogon, Category 2, Social Media Star Award is Castro. For our next award is Jumps Top Model Philippines Season 4 Masbate, Category 2 Social Media Award is Jane Althea Herrado. Our next award, Jumps Top Model Philippines Season 4 Sorsogon second runner-up, Castro. Okay, for our next award, Jumps Top Model Philippines Season 4 Albay second runner-up is Denise Ira Garcia. Thank you so much for our next award. Jumps Top Model Philippines Season 4 Sorsogon. First runner-up is Darlene Zacarias. The Jump Stop Model Philippines Season 4 Masbate official representative is Jane